Welcome back to Spec Dossier, the channel where we break down tech in a way that actually helps you make smart decisions. Today, we're looking at the Redmi 15 5G, a phone that's been buzzing in the budget smartphone world. It promises 5G speeds, solid cameras, and long battery life without breaking the bank. But does it actually deliver? Stick around, because we're covering everything from design to performance, and you won't want to miss the verdict at the end. Let's start with the design. The Redmi 15 5G immediately feels solid in the hand, despite its budget-friendly price. It sports a smooth plastic back that doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. Holding it for long periods doesn't cause hand fatigue, and the weight is evenly distributed. The front has a modern look with minimal bezels, while the camera module sits neatly on the back without sticking out too much. The colors are vibrant and eye-catching, but here's the thing, you might want a case. While it looks sleek, the plastic back can scratch or crack if you're not careful. The design is practical, but durability is one area where you need to take precautions. Moving to the display, the Redmi 15 5G has a 6.6-inch LCD screen with full HD resolution. Colors are bright, and text is sharp enough for reading and streaming. While it doesn't offer the deep blacks of an AMOLED screen, it still performs well in daylight, making outdoor use fairly easy. The 90 Hz refresh rate adds smoothness to scrolling, gaming, and even simple navigation, making the phone feel faster than it really is. The touch response is accurate, which gamers and app enthusiasts will appreciate. But can this screen handle heavy gaming sessions without lag? We'll explore performance in a bit. Speaking of performance, this is where the Redmi 15 5G really surprises for a budget device. It runs on a MediaTek Dimensity processor, paired with up to 6 GB of RAM. Apps open quickly, multitasking is smooth, and even moderately heavy games run without major issues. During extended use, the phone heats up slightly, but not to an uncomfortable level. Storage options are solid, and the UFS storage ensures apps and games load quickly. For a phone in this price range, it delivers more speed and reliability than many would expect. But does software complement this hardware? Let's check that next. The software experience is based on MIUI running on top of Android. The interface is smooth and intuitive, with plenty of gestures and customization options to make your experience personal. Some pre-installed apps and occasional ads are noticeable, but they aren't disruptive. Xiaomi generally provides timely security updates, which is reassuring for long-term use. Overall, the software enhances the phone's performance without overwhelming the user, though a cleaner OS would always be better. Now on to one of the most important aspects for many, cameras. The Redmi 15 5G comes with a triple camera setup, a main sensor, a wide-angle lens, and a depth sensor. Daylight photos are sharp with vibrant colors and good detail. Low-light shots are respectable for a budget phone, especially when night mode is enabled. Videos record up to 1080p, and while stabilization isn't perfect, it's more than sufficient for casual recording. Selfies are surprisingly detailed, making this phone great for social media enthusiasts. That said, if you're chasing flagship-level photography, there are limits here, but for everyday use, it performs admirably. Battery life is another highlight. With a 5,000 mAh battery, the Redmi 15 5G easily lasts a full day, even with heavy usage like gaming, streaming videos, and browsing social media. Charging speeds are decent, so you're not stuck waiting for hours to top up. For most users, this phone handles a full day of use without needing a midday charge, which is a huge plus. But battery is just one part of the story. Connectivity matters too. Connectivity options are strong, with support for 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, and GPS. The dual SIM slot makes it convenient for people managing work and personal numbers, and NFC support allows for quick mobile payments. Network speeds are reliable, and call quality is clear, with minimal static or dropouts. Whether you're streaming content or video calling, the phone performs reliably. When it comes to audio and multimedia, the Redmi 15 5G doesn't disappoint for its price. The mono speaker is loud and clear enough for watching videos or casual music listening. There's no headphone jack, so you'll need wireless earbuds for optimal audio experience. The microphone picks up voice well for calls and recordings, making it usable for both personal and professional use. The display and audio together make media consumption enjoyable, even on a budget device. Value for money is where this phone really shines. The Redmi 15 5G offers a balanced package: solid performance, decent cameras, a smooth display, and long-lasting battery, all at a competitive price. When compared to other phones in the same segment, it stands out as one of the best budget-friendly options, especially for 5G connectivity. Extra features add even more appeal. The phone includes a fast fingerprint sensor and face unlock for security, an IR blaster for remote control functions, and expandable storage for those who need extra space. Xiaomi's warranty and support options are standard, giving peace of mind for long-term use. So, should you buy the Redmi 15 5G? For a budget-conscious user who wants good performance, strong battery life, and decent cameras, it's a solid pick. If your priority is ultra-premium build quality or flagship-grade photography, there may be better options, but for its price, this phone delivers more than expected. That wraps up our full review of the Redmi 15 5G here on Spec Dossier. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our honest tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.